The House of Seven Courtyards, designed by Arquitectura Spinetta, rises in Funes, Argentina, a town where open skies and wide plots of land define the landscape. Conceived as a living organism rather than a static structure, the house unfolds in harmony with its surroundings, weaving together light, air, and vegetation through its 7 patios. Built in 3 stages over 4 years, the project faced the rare challenge of coexisting with an existing home and a family that continued to live on site. This coexistence shaped the architectural process itself, imbuing each phase with patience, adaptability, and a profound sense of continuity. Between the sound of airplanes descending on the nearby Rosario airport and the rhythmic passage of trains, the design draws inspiration from the horizontality of its environment, transforming those distant movements into part of the daily poetry of the home. At its heart, the house is a dialogue between opacity and transparency, shelter and openness, memory and modernity. Private spaces, enclosed in red brick volumes, frame moments of intimacy and rest, while the social areas dissolve into glass and light, inviting the landscape indoors. Each of the 7 patios acts as a sensory filter, Borges-channeled skies, where plants, breezes, and sunlight compose shifting atmospheres throughout the day and seasons. The southern courtyard shelters hummingbirds and butterflies. The northern one bathes the children's rooms in winter light. Central patios thicken with native pampas grasses and vines, blending the house into its ecosystem. Sustainable strategies such as cross-ventilation, double brick walls, solar heating, and rainwater collection reinforce the project's bioclimatic integrity. Ultimately, the House of Seven Courtyards is more than a home. It is a living landscape where architecture becomes a mediator between climate, nature, and human experience, inviting its inhabitants to dwell not only in space, but in time itself.